look what we got. It's Christmas morning. Yeah, not Christmas morning yet. Forever 21. There's an outfit in here. You guys excited to see what's in here? I am too. I didn't open it yet, and I'm gonna open it right here with you guys. Okay, so I'll explain what's in here once I open it. Ready? Ready? Go. Okay. We have, now, oh my God, this is amazing. Wow, oh my God, this is amazing. Oh wow, okay. So, I got 3 pieces here. And I got 2 pairs of pants. Why, you may ask? Because I want 2 pairs. No, not really. I got an extra small because I wasn't sure of the size, and I got a small. So we're gonna see which size fits better. And then here is the amazing top. Guys, look at this. I am in love. Should we open it? Let's open it. Okay. Let's see this amazing top. I'm so excited. I haven't seen it either, so we're opening it together. Oh my God. It's like a disco ball. Guys, this is like a disco ball. Okay, it has straps. Super cute. This is a size small. Look how adorable. Oh my God. Okay, that's amazing. Here's the top. Back is black. Here's the front. Now, let's see the pants. Let's start with the extra small. Literally, a literal walking disco ball. Oh my God. How cute is this gonna be? That looks like a good size. See the small, shall we? And here's the small. Boom. Let us see it. Oh wow. And here's this. Okay, the small's a little bit bigger in size, obviously, so I'm thinking it's true to size. For me, I'd be an extra small. The waist looks small on both, actually, to be honest, but in the leg size, it's a little bit bigger, so yeah. And again, it goes all the way around. Let's see, I think it's full length. I don't know. It should. I'm gonna try it out, and we're gonna find out. But again, this is the small. And here it is. So there's the set. Got the pants and the top. I'm gonna try it on, and then we're gonna see how it looks. This is the turnout of the Forever 21 outfit, and I love it. Guys, it turned out amazing. So the top is a size small, and the bottom is a size extra small, and it fits like a glove. Love it.